So we've had questions about how easy it is to put this clam Quick-Set up, and one was a solo lady that's traveling and she wanted to know if she would be able to do it. So I'm going to do it today. Usually this is a two-person job, but it's simple enough that I can do it. So here goes. I'm going to take it down today and then we'll show putting it up on another one. Zip it up. And then I'm just going to go around it and push these in. Kind of hold it up as I go because it's all going to collapse down. I did leave my rug down just so it can lay down on the rugs. I'm also leaving the sides on it. Always not a great idea, but all right. Okay. I do have these little ties to kind of compress it a little bit. And this is the big one. This is the 5-sided one. So the 4-sided one is a little bit easier, a little bit lighter.
For one person, that would work.
Yeah, that would work good for one person. Okay. But yeah, it's probably easier to start at the top and zip down. You just need to make sure that the thing's far down as it can go. You do have to do a little stuffing, but not too bad. All right, now we're going to put it in the back of the truck, but I'm not really sure where we're going to put it yet. I'm going to try it.
You did good. Don't do it.
Slide, slide, slide. There you go.
Way to go. Ta-da.
I'm not sure how long that took, but it wasn't very long. I kind of messed up. Just want to say, you're supposed to put the, and I'll show that when you're setting it up. There's 2 bars at the very front that you should set up at the doors. I forgot to take those down like I always do. So make sure you do that or it won't fold up. So on this one, I'm going to show putting up the clam Quick-Set. I'm going to put my rug down first just because I like to lay it on the rug instead of the gravel or the ground or whatever. I will be moving it around, I'm sure. Maggie loves it. She loves the rug. All right. So last time we did tie it up. I'm going to untie these little things. Yeah, we usually do it together, so try to get it out from the top of it. I'm kind of going to spread it out. First ones are harder than the last ones. I shouldn't have probably said that because this one might be hard. Then you put up the top. And on the inside, we've got these 2 things that normally they're like up here and they're bolted down, but this time they weren't. They came off. That was probably my fault. And to hold down the front of it, we're going to stick it in this little hole down here. Got to kind of take it apart to do that. Okay. That's the thing that I forgot to take down last time. They have little Velcros. She is. I think she probably wants water or something. Gonna let Owen do the staking down. It's just your basic staking down a tent. And I just pick it up by the little pull-outs. Bob's your uncle. She's up.
So would you say it's easy or not?
I think it's easy. It is cumbersome. I think the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. or that's the way I am. And so before you stake it down, you just need to make sure you can zip this up, because if you spread that out too far when you're actually staking it down, then it won't zip and you're in trouble. Well, you'll just have to take out the stakes.
Way to go.
All right.